I'm here with Shawn from CanGrow. Shawn, thanks for doing this. Thanks for taking some time to chat.
Thanks for inviting me, Zach.
We're going a little bit off script or without any script, but I think we should start with you introducing yourself and what you do and what CanGrow is all about.
So Shawn Brenneman, I'm the Director of Commercial Growth and Strategy for CanGrow Crop Solutions. We're located in Alvinston, Ontario. We are a manufacturer of fluid solutions. We do starters, side dress, foliars, biologicals, biostimulants, kind of the whole crop portfolio.
Right.
We're really looking at nutritional solutions for farmers in Ontario and northern US and even Western Canada and Quebec. So
very nice.
We cover a wide area, and we've had one season with using the Picketa system.
Very nice. So you guys are based in southern Ontario. You work with all the Canadian crops, I assume corn, potatoes, canola, and also vegetables? Yeah,
potatoes are definitely an important part of our business, but then so are the row crops, corn, soybeans, wheat, edible beans. We've got quite a diversity of crops that from A to Z, apples to zucchini, we've got customers growing everything in between.
Right on, that's beautiful. So then your job, and the work that you're doing at CanGrow consists of helping the grower with whatever solution they need, I assume? So you guys have a full suite of different products that you can come in at different points, whether it's pre-planting or even post-planting or throughout the season, and you're just trying to help them get the best yield possible?
Yeah, absolutely. Start of the season to the end of the season, we've got products that kind of fit in between. We have a lot of products that are more based on the year and the environment, so a lot of our solutions, we've got our standard starters, side dress solutions, but then we work with a lot of customers that if they have a particular issue or a stress, every year the weather brings different issues, and so we use our experience at CanGrow to be able to help them get the most out of that crop for that season, no matter what the weather is kind of bringing.
Absolutely, yeah, and I imagine with all that work, all that diverse type of work, from season to season and crop to crop and grower to grower, agronomy is a big part of your strategy, I assume?
Absolutely, yeah. Within the CanGrow team, one day we added up all the years of crop experience within our team, and it was well over 350 years of crop experience that we've got available. So
very nice.
No 2 years are alike, and within our team we like to utilize that experience to help find the best solution for that crop and that customer for that year.
The question I was going to ask is, with all the agronomy work you do, that involves, I'm sure, a lot of different things, but how does tissue analysis fit into what you're doing with regards to crop management and soil analysis and everything else that comes with the agronomic program? Where does tissue analysis fit in for you guys?
For us, it's really about helping our customers and ourselves as CanGrow Solutions reps to be able to better understand what's going on in season. Because as far as a nutrient perspective, too little rain, we might see some issues like potassium deficiencies. Too much rain, we might see more nitrogen leaching or boron or sulfur leaching, that also those become an issue and a problem. So depending on the weather, we can see different nutritional issues. And at the end of the day, we're trying to help our customers spend the money in the right spot to get the most return. So that's where using the tissues and using the Picketa system has helped us to be able to say, here's an issue we've identified in the field, and sometimes it might just be a $3 boron treatment that can give you 5 or 6 or 7 bushels response there.
Absolutely. So you're capitalizing on opportunities that are there because of the suite of products that you have and the service that you're able to offer to your growers. You're kind of staying on top and making sure nothing slips through the cracks, kind of thing.
We really enjoyed using the Picketa because it's another piece of the whole puzzle.
There you go.
Because we like to look at so we'll take the Picketa data that comes back from that, and then we'll look at soil tests, we'll look at the weather forecast and previous history, we'll look at what that crop condition is, commodity prices. So it's about putting all the pieces of that puzzle together to make sure we've got the best recommendation for our customers.
And I'm sure you've been doing this long enough now where I think you said yesterday that this is going to be harvest number 30 or 30 something for you.
30 years
so
in ag,
you have a hunch, that rain events cause deficiencies in certain areas, and but I'm sure having the validation from another data point for you guys helps you kind of guide that strategy and at least have the grower kind of on board with what you're going for.
Absolutely, because we're dealing with complex systems here, and there's a lot of base agronomy that goes into it, but every year is different. And sometimes you can really see that even by crop. Sometimes we'll see maybe in a soybean crop where manganese, a couple dollars of manganese can really drive a yield response. Absolutely. And we might not see that in a corn crop or other crop. But there you go. Knowing the crop and understanding that every year is different, it really helps us with the best solution.
Beautiful. Well, I think that kind of validates, what value propositions we're trying to bring in with the system. And it's good to hear that you guys get that value out of it. So we want to keep that going. And I guess if anyone catches this video and wants to reach out, where can people find you guys? CanGrow.com or what's
absolutely. You can go to you can email us at solutions@cangrow.com, or else you can visit our website at cangrow.com.
Yeah, or if you're ever in Alvinston and you want to stop by
Big town of Alvinston, stop by and coffee's on me for sure.
Beautiful. Well, thank you so much for doing this, Sean. I appreciate it.
Thanks a lot.
Right on.